Assalamu alaikum student. Today we discuss the topic that is what is the function of spark plug in a petrol engine. So here we write a spark plug is a main component of engine that generate a spark to ignite the air fuel mixture. When the air fuel mixture is compressed by the piston and then ignite by a spark to initiate combustion. Now we discuss the conceptual question. First question is, why is the freezer in the upper part of the refrigerator? So here we write the answer that the freezer are placed on the top of refrigerator because cold air being heavier travel downward while warm air rise. This is the natural convection cycle process. Next question is, why do not keep the banana in the refrigerator? As we all know, bananas grow more in hot climate, so they are unused to cold climate. If bananas are kept in refrigerator, then skin of bananas will become black. It is due to dehydration. The outside skin of bananas turn black, but there is no remarkable effect on bananas. Assalamu alaikum student. Today we discuss the conceptual question. First question is, why is the earth not in thermal equilibrium with the sun? The condition for thermal equilibrium is that two systems must be at the same temperature so that there is no heat flow between them. As the temperature of the sun is very high as compared to the temperature of the earth, so there is not flow of heat from the sun to the earth. The second conceptual question is, when a block with a hole in it is heated, why does not the material around the hole expand into the hole and make it small? When a block with a hole is heated, then material around the hole does not make it smaller. This is because the atom around the hole are pulled outward, which further increase the area of the hole. In this question, ask that what is the pressure a gas cylinder containing hydrogen will leak for more quickly than if it is containing oxygen. Why? Hydrogen has a lower weight compared to the oxygen gas. Lighter gas tend to diffuse more rapidly than heavier gas because they have high speed. This means that hydrogen is more likely to escape through a leak in the cylinder than oxygen. Now the next question is, a thermometer is placed in direct sunlight. Will it read the temperature of the air or the sun or something else? When the thermometer is placed in the direct sunlight, it will read the temperature of air surrounding it. The thermometer is designed to measure the temperature of the medium it in contact with. In this case, air is in contact with the thermometer. Question is, what happened to the temperature of a room in which an air conditioner is left running on a table in the middle of the room? Temperature of room will goes up or increase. Air conditioner removing heat from the air inside the room and expelling it outside. But if the air conditioner is in the middle of the room, that expelling air in the room, due to which temperature will increase. Why does the pressure of air in automobile tire increase if automobile is driven for a while? Temperature of air in the tire increase due to the friction between the rod and tires, friction that creates heat. This heat transfer to the tire, which increase the temperature. Increase in temperature increase the kinetic energy of molecules inside the tire. Increasing temperature increase kinetic energy of molecules inside the tire. This in turn result in an increased force. Therefore, increase pressure on the tire wall. Next question is, on removing the wall, the air escaping from a cycle tube cooled. Why? The air escaping from the cycle tube because tube is a thermal insulator. The thermal insulator and it undergoes a adiabatic expansion. It undergoes an adiabatic expansion process when the pressure decreases. The temperature also decrease during expansion. Thus, the air escaping from the cycle tube become cool. Write the limitation of the first law of thermodynamics. First limitation is it fail to explain about the direction of flow of heat. Second condition is it does not say anything whether the process is spontaneous or non-spontaneous process. The reversible process is not possible. In actual practice, heat does not convert completely into work. Is it possible, according to second law of thermodynamics, to construct an heat engine that is free from thermal pollution? The second law of thermodynamics that in any energy conversion process, some energy will be lost to the surrounding as heat. This means not heat engine can be 100% efficient. There will be some waste heat produced. Can specific heat of gas be zero or infinity? Can specific heat be negative? Specific heat of a gas, that formula is C is equal to Q energy is observed in 1 kg of mass to raise in temperature delta T. So if isothermal process, then change in temperature is equal to 0, and then specific heat become infinity. For an adiabatic process, Q is equal to 0. When Q is equal to 0, C is equal to 0. Specific heat will be negative when heat Q removed from the system.